In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload in Google Ads. If you manage multiple campaigns or need to make lots of changes at once, bulk upload can save you a ton of time by letting you work from a spreadsheet instead of clicking through each item one by one. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the left-hand menu, click Campaigns to open the main campaigns view. If you also see a Campaigns tab across the top, click that as well to make sure you're looking at the full campaigns table. At the top of the table, find the download icon and click it. When the download menu opens, select More Options. Turn on the option that makes the file editable for bulk upload so the spreadsheet you get includes the correct columns and formats for re-uploading. Then click Download and save the file somewhere you can easily find, like your desktop or a project folder. Open the file in your preferred spreadsheet tool. You'll see columns that match the fields Google Ads uses, such as campaign name, budget, status, and other settings. Add or adjust your data only within the appropriate columns. Don't rename, delete, or reorder column headers, and avoid changing the file's format. Use supported values where required, for example enabled or paused for status, and enter budgets as plain numbers in your account currency without symbols. If dates are included, keep them in the same format as the template. Make sure every row you add is complete and consistent, and remove any accidental blank rows at the end. When you're done, save the file in the same format you downloaded, typically CSV or Excel. Head back to Google Ads. In the Campaigns view, look for the three-dot icon near the top right of the table and click it. Choose Upload from the menu. In the Upload window, locate the edited file you just saved on your computer. Select it, confirm it's the correct version, and start the upload. Once the upload finishes, Google Ads will process your file and apply your changes. New campaigns will be created and existing ones will be updated based on the data you provided. Take a quick look at your campaigns list to verify that names, budgets, and statuses appear as expected. If anything looks off, adjust your spreadsheet and upload again. A helpful tip for the future is to keep a clean copy of the editable template as your master, so you can reuse it and maintain consistent formatting every time you need to bulk upload.